discuss in the next few classes some real case life studies which are current. The first of this set is on Cafe Coffee Day. It was in the news very recently due to the unfortunate demise of its founder. But it is a very good example of a wonderful entrepreneurship in the Indian context. An entrepreneurship which was highly successful. So if you look at incidentally, all these cases which I am going to discuss are taken from my case studies book, including this Cafe Coffee Day. At the end of this case, each of these cases, you will find questions. When I am analyzing these cases, I will be answering those questions also. So this will give you an idea of how to attempt a case analysis in the real context. The case which we first discussed in the beginning of the course on Suryodaya was also a real case, if you can recall. It was the introduction of a new product in the Indian market. Then we discussed one more case, how the Toyota company cannibalized one of its very good products, namely the Toyota Qualis, and came out with Toyota Innova. Now, this is the Cafe Coffee Day. Cafe Coffee Day, popularly known with the acronym CCD, is a part of India's largest coffee conglomerate, the Amalgamated Bean Coffee Trading Company Limited, popularly known as Coffee Day. So, this Cafe Coffee Day owes its origin to the entrepreneurship of one individual by name V.G. Siddhartha. This company was founded in the year 1996. It is headquartered in Bangalore. It is an ISO 9002 certified company. The first cafe of this Cafe Coffee Day started operating in 1996 at Brigade Road, Bangalore, considered to be one of the famous up joints in the city. So frequented by a large number of youngsters, very close to the MG Road, and it has almost all the representations, whether it be from the companies or from the financial institutions just in and around it. Started with this first cafe at Brigade Road. This incidentally, kindly note that all the case studies which we are going to discuss, it has updated data till about 2016, 15-16. Suppose you want to update it further, you are welcome to do it. You can go up to 2019 also. So this, starting with this one Cafe Coffee Day in 96 at Brigade Road, this CCD developed 1534 outlets across 28 states of India. It expanded their outlets to Karachi, Vienna, Dubai and Prague. So one of the first Indian coffee companies to do so. In fact, it remains the only coffee company even to this day to have these types of outlets abroad. So if you look at the average footfalls for this CCD, it is between 400 to 800 per cafe per day. So you can expect this type of sales per cafe per day. So for the first time, this company launched what is called the coffee bar concept in India. So this coffee bar concept in India came out for the first time through this Cafe Coffee Day. From where does this Cafe CCD source its coffee seeds? It sources its coffee seeds from 5,000 acres of coffee estates, basically from the area called Chikmagalur in Karnataka, and it is the second largest in Asia. If you look at the type of growth that it has registered, it is quite phenomenal. If you see the coffee industry itself in India, it is the 6th largest coffee producer in the world. It contributes to about 4.5% of the entire world's coffee production. India has about 170,000 coffee farms cultivating around 900,000 acres of coffee trees. Among this, Karnataka accounts for 70% of the country's total coffee production, followed by Kerala 22% and Tamil Nadu 7%. So if you see, Karnataka is the hub of the coffee industry in India. It is also the reason that the coffee board, the Indian Coffee Board, is also headquartered in Bangalore. As per the survey of this Indian Coffee Board, increase rate in domestic consumption was 5 to 6%. That is, there was an increase in the rate of consumption of coffee between 5 to 6% per annum. Coffee consumption in India had increased from 94,400 tons in 2008 to 1,45,185 tons in 2015. At that time, provisional figures. The exports comprised 80% of India's coffee production, while only 20% was utilized for domestic purpose. In other words, most of the coffee that you may be drinking abroad might have come from India only. Okay, you might be taking coffee in the United States, but that coffee, the origin of that coffee may be from India and will be mostly from India. So this is the way the Indian coffee industry has grown. And this is represented on the right side by this graph, how it has grown. And what is represented on this in this graph is also given an explanation on the left. So if you look at some of the important events with respect to this coffee industry, since 1975, traditionally growing coffee beans started. So when was it started means it started from the year 1875. Early 90s, opportunity arose with the deregulation of the coffee board. In Coffee Day began exporting coffee to connoisseurs around across USA, Europe and Japan. So it was sometime during this 90s when liberalization took place. This Coffee Day began exporting coffee to the connoisseurs across USA, Europe and Japan. In 96, this CCD was first set up at Brigade Road in Bangalore. So initially it started exporting coffee, then started set up the first CCD at Bangalore, in Bangalore at Brigade Road. In the year 2000, it exported more than 27,000 of tons of coffee valued at $60 million to countries like USA, Europe and Japan. Look at the way the growth has taken place. Just within a few years, this CCD was able to export more than 27,000 tons of coffee valued at $60 million to countries like USA, Europe and Japan, and for the second time in its short career of 7 years retained the largest coffee exporter of India. So CCD owns, that is 2002, CCD owned near 213 cafes in all major cities of India and operated all these cafes also. It owned and operated all these cafes in 2002. So it's a wonderful story with respect to coffee by an enterprising individual, and this CCD was a highly enterprising industry set up by this gentleman Siddhartha.